are talking about the mother, the few days or few years before she was a child or a girl. In our country, exactly what happened, we give the importance just to our sister and our mother. In some kinds, we are not giving the respect to our even our sister and mothers. So today I am going to describe crime against women. Generally, you can read from the many of magazines, Forbes and all that there are so many cases against the women and increasing day by day recorded by the police. In early stage, what happened that when there was a crime against like a rape or molestation against a girl or against a women, they were not reported to the police because of the social stigma attached to the rape and molestation. But now the time has changed. The people are reported their matters regarding these type of the nonsense to the police. So first of all, I want to describe what are the causes behind the crime against the women. First of all, I am going to describe about the few stages of the crime against the women. These are first of all about the molestation and the harassment. Second one is the dowry system. The third one is the infanticide and the sex abortion. Fourth one is the trafficking. And fifth one is the domestic violence. Sixth one is the health problem. And seventh one is the family planning. So first of all, we are going to talk about the sex harassment. Here about 80% of the company where the girls are working or even the females are working, their boss every time just try to molest her or just in the sense of the word try to give the sexual harassment, or it is the word of called the eve teaching in the sense of euphuism that they are using. And there were so many laws regarding it, but before, after the case of the Delhi, the Indian government stood so much strictly regarding the rules and regulations. So if there is any type of the crime against the women, you got the punishment for that. Next one, I want to talking about the dowry system. There was a strict rule behind the dowry system earlier that if you got any type of the dowry from your bride, you have to lots of and even you have to pull up your socks. But it was not implemented in the India as supposed it to be. After that, Indian government made another law in 1981. If someone making any type of the dowry to anyone, so whatever you have to give to your bride or bridegroom, you should start to make a list of such type of the goods, whatever you are providing, and you have to make the specification what you have give, to whom it is given, what is the specification of this. But regarding now, if I am going to tell you one case, one of my colleagues living with me in the Air Force, he is actually live in the Bihar. The last month he got married with a girl. He got near about the 20 lakhs for the as a dowry, and he told me that in our state what exactly happened that if I'm working in a force, I got the 20 lakhs. If I'm working like a SDM or IAS, I got near about 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs. It is nothing about but just about the dowry system. And the third one is about the infanticide and the women sex abortion. What exactly happened that we go to the doctor for the scanning of the mother. If there is a girl in the stomach, they just want to ride out and want to leave it. But now the rule has changed. There are lots of the cautions and warning out of the hospitals regarding this. So it is not so much easy nowadays to look after such type of the cases. Next one is the child, something like child. It is what exactly happened in our country that it is spreading out traditionally, even it continues nowadays. And the maximum cases from the Rajasthan, that the girl who even the age of 10 to 12, he got married with the guys, he will live with her parents till he is not reached to the age of poverty. Once he reached to the age of poverty, he lives with her husband. After that, what exactly happened before that? If a child widow, she had to save her. Even she had to be isolation in the home and etc. like this. Next one is the trafficking. There was a movie before the 2 years called the Hollywood movie called Trafficking. But it was seen that the girls to be trafficked from the outside country and they are to be forced in the prostitution and even in the domestic homework and